Hello everyone, you're looking at a 2024 Cobalt CS22. We've got this nice navy hull side with the white stripe and the graphite gray hull bottom. We'll hop in and take a closer look. All right, we're on the top side of this boat right now. As you can see, we got the nice transom swim platform. Just pull this lever right here and it'll flip down. We've got convenient sun pad here as well. Lift this up. We've got our cooler, so we don't have to go far to get a fresh one. Our transom walk through. Very nice. And then this guy just folds right down and completes that sun deck. Got additional storage under here, trash, and our fire extinguisher, our cup holders, and our JBL audio system in this boat. This is where our power is located. We've got off, on, and then an emergency as well. This boat is fully ready to go. We've got our dock lines, our throwable, and our orange Coast Guard approved life jackets in here, so you can see there's plenty of storage space for all your goodies. Under here, we've got our 6.2 liter Merc Cruiser 300 engine, as well as our battery access. Very easy to get everything in here from a service perspective, or if we just got to change out our batteries. Our co-captain seat is also much more functional than you would imagine. This lays completely flat. This is actually padded right here and kind of has a nice contour to it, so if I decided I want to sit back here, this is very comfortable. I can talk with the driver. I can watch anything that's going on behind us. So that's really nice. An underrated feature for sure. At the helm, we've got captain seat with bolster, fusion audio head with push button control, our gauges with optional electronic display for your critical features, a nice glove box here with some additional push button controls. Our throttle is active trim control DTS. It's digital throttle and shift with that push button start. Keys located right there. We have some nice wireless charging here next to some cup holders and a nice JBL sound system that flows throughout the boat. We've also got our wind block here. Very easy to deploy. We just fold our windshield over. And now we are completely covered. Ugh. And now we are completely covered. Lots of storage options here in the bow. We've got our covers for the boat right in here. Can fit all sorts of good things: backpacks, life jackets, towels. We've got some cup holders, that sound system again to match as well. So we've got this gray accent vinyl with these gray speaker covers. And then in the midship we have white to match the fiberglass. So that's just another attention to detail that Cobalt is put into these boats. So this has also got the flip up storage as well on this side. Very nice. Unused right now, but plenty of space. You can check out this boat on our website at MarineMax.com, or you can stop in at our Crosslake location and see this boat for yourself today.